Hey guys, so this is an idea or thought I once had. I call it the scale of the problem philosophy. So, suppose you have any problem. Like, for one, you have a maths problem. If x squared plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0, find x. Or if you have a real world problem, like Anna and Joe are friends, they are having an argument. Why are they having an argument? You can talk to Anna or Joe or both to find out. So, when you solve any of these problems, you would like in the first problem, you would use something like this formula and get the answer. Or if you solve the second problem, you would use some fact about Anna or Joe from the conversation you had with both of them to solve the problem. So, what I want you to notice here is when you are solving these problems, you are sort of in a scale, like this dimension or scale. Like when you're solving that maths problem, you don't zoom into this formula. You don't say, "Oh, where did this formula come from?" You just use it and you get the answer. I think this whole point will become clearer by the end of the video. Or, yeah, as I said, you won't zoom into the formula like where it come from. You just use it to solve the problem. Or if you talk to Joe or Anna, you don't zoom into Anna's life history to find out about why they are having the argument. You just use some fact she would tell you and use it to know why they were arguing. So I call this whole thing being in the scale of the problem. You don't zoom into the formula or into Anna's life to solve the problem. So I think this whole figure might this sort of diagram might make it clearer. You use a fact or element that will be in the solution to solve it. Like this formula was in the solution and you used it and got the answer. But see how there's a whole scale of this whole problem. You don't zoom into this or you don't zoom into what is this. You are sort of set in a scale where you don't zoom in or zoom out. You just stay in that scale to solve the problem. Or like in case with Anna and Joe, you talk to Anna, you got a fact, and you now know why they were arguing. You don't go like in depth and talk to Anna about her life history. Now that's totally another different scale. This is the scale of the problem where you need to be to solve it. So yeah, see, not the formulas history that this is, because that would be a completely different scale. Now, this is a thought I had, and I sort of looked it up very later. I found out that there's something in maths called lemma, that is just saying this. Basically, a lemma is a proven statement used to solve a bigger problem. So, but yeah, that is like this is like the same idea, but expressed differently in my own words, I guess, and like visuals and all. I don't know. So I hope you got something out of this video, liked it. I don't know. Thank you for listening.